it's Daysha. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Daysha again. So today I'm doing a DIY photo collage video. So as you can see from behind me, I have this pretty big empty wall space, and I actually just cleared it out because I wanted to change some things in my room, and I've been dying to do one of those photo collage things like the Tezza prints or whatever, but we all know those things are like, what, $100 or something like that. So I wanted to figure out, how can I make my own? How can I make it for less? And how can I customize it to what I want versus what Tezza just gives you? I thought that this would look super cute with the wall covered with photos and then the fairy lights right above me. So yeah, today I'm going to show you guys how I specifically did that. So the first thing I did when wanting to pick the pictures for my collage wall, I actually used Pinterest and created a board with, I handpicked the pictures and I made sure all of them correlated and went and had the same like kind of feed. The colors kind of matched as close as they could. So I'll link my Pinterest board if you guys want to use the same pictures that I used through there. But I think I saved almost 200 just to have like a bunch, because I didn't know how many pictures it would take to fill this wall because it is pretty big. So I just went ahead and saved 200 pictures and they all pretty much match. I thought they were pretty cute. I did mine through Walmart Prints. I think I got 64 pictures for around $14, which I thought was like such a good price compared to Tezza. Then a week or two, they emailed me and told me that my prints were ready. So definitely Walmart is a great option. I think there were only 9 cents per picture, so if I ever wanted to get more I could, and it's not going to be super expensive or to where you have to buy in bulk. So these are some of the prints that I've gotten. I went ahead and separated them into different like categories. So this one we have like people, Queen Ariana, you know, I've got some friends, people and animals because there's a llama, and then I had quite a few car ones that I didn't even realize that I got. So these are cars, and I think some motorcycles are in there as well. Yeah, just a couple of those. I thought those were like really cute. And then this one's food, obviously. Got some ice cream and Starbucks. I know pizza ones in there, donuts, coffee, all that good yummy stuff. And then these are like quotes and sayings. There's some Bible verses in there, some signs in there, a whole bunch of stuff going on. That one is actually quite thick. I got a lot of those actually. And then this one is kind of like miscellaneous. It's like clothes. We've got some like Disney, Chanel I know is in there, perfume, just a whole bunch of like kind of random stuff like scenery, Tiana, stuff like that. And then this is more of like attractions and like things like Statue of Liberty, Coliseum, lots of Ferris wheels, more signs, you know. And then this one is just kind of like random like prints, like they don't have any words on them. They're just like little simple prints. That one's my favorite. I love the Nike one because I have on my Nike sweatshirt today. And then this one is more of outdoors, like nature type thing. There's lots of beaches, sunsets, some boardwalks. I actually have a lot of sunsets in here, some plants. That one's really pretty. This one might be my favorite. As for right now, I'm literally just going to be using just like basic tape, roll it up and stick it on there. Worst case, I can just get like the putty or double-sided tape later on down the road. But for now, for the sake of this video, I'm just going to use regular clear tape. I have completely taken everything off of my wall and I have my pictures. So I think I'm going to start at the very top where the lights are and then work my way down. I don't know if I want them to hit all the way down to like the baseboard. I think that's what they're called. I might start them sooner than that, just depending on how many I can go. But I also have my dad let me use his leveler so we can make sure these things are straight, because we don't want it to be wonky. Like, we want it to be straight.
Slow it down like that, just hold me down like that, yeah. She's a Mona Lisa, everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa, everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something better features. You'll find the beauty goes much deeper. me to say you love. It's not for me to say.
Guys, I don't know why, but for the very end, for this section right here, my camera just decided to stop recording, but this is that. Okay, that is extremely crooked. I will fix that. But yeah, it completely cut off, but this is what the section looks like. Look at the wall, guys. Like, I have to back up so far just to get all the way in there. This looks so stinking cute. Like, imagine it with the lights like going all the way like to the other side of the wall to carry over. Like, that's gonna look so good. And I think with the clothing rack, like, it just makes it look so good. So I absolutely love this. It's 160 4x6s. So, and it filled up this almost the entire wall. The only reason I didn't go further this way was just because, well, one, the light started right there, and two, my door's right here, so I felt like it didn't make sense to keep going like past the door, because then I would only see it if the door was closed. But I absolutely love it.
It's not for me to say you love.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I really hope that I helped and you guys can go out and actually make your own boards for Bless. But again, my board is linked down below if you want to use any of these pictures. If not, you can always just type in like motivational quotes or like doodles or just collage wall prints and Pinterest, and a whole bunch of those should pop up. Make yourself a board, download them to your camera, and upload them to Walmart. So I'm gonna get another string of fairy lights just so it can wrap around my room the other way, because my mirror is right here and I think that would look really cute for pictures and stuff. So definitely let me know if you want to see like a room tour, because I don't think I've ever showed my full room. You guys have seen just about every single wall except the whole room itself, so let me know if you guys want to see that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week with a new video. Bye!